Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Gemini and enable two-factor authentication, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the search bar, type Gemini Cryptocurrency Exchange. Click on the official website link to ensure authenticity. Once the website loads, look for the download option. Select the appropriate version for your device, whether it's iOS or Android. Click on the download button to initiate the installation process. Follow the prompts to install the app on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the Gemini app icon and open it. Create a new account by tapping on Get Started. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. After entering the details, check your email for a verification message. Click on the verification link to confirm your email address. Return to the app and sign in with your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. Look for the option labeled Security or Two-Factor Authentication. Select the option to enable two-factor authentication. You will be prompted to choose a method for receiving verification codes. Common options include SMS or an authentication app like Google Authenticator. If you choose SMS, enter your phone number and confirm it through a verification code sent to you. If using an authentication app, scan the QR code provided in the app using your chosen app. Once set up, Gemini will require a verification code each time you log in. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Ensure you save any backup codes provided in case you lose access to your authentication method. You have now successfully downloaded the Gemini app and enabled two-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.